welcome to Mommy and Lily. Today we're unboxing some Lush stuff, and there's gonna be bath bombs in here because it smells like it.
And we have a big box
Yeah.
full of foam. Peanuts.
Yeah. Peanut.
All right, let's see
What's-
what we got. It's Donkey from Shrek. It's a bath bomb.
Yep. Let's see.
I'm gonna start throwing those in there. Throw them in there. That looks like corn on the cob.
Yeah, I'm
Show it to
pretty
the
sure
video.
there's supposed to be something in it.
Yeah, I think so too. Show it to the video.
Oh wait, hold on. Let me just do this.
Try not to break them, okay, since they're not in bags.
Let me just look for the little one, okay?
This one looks like a pineapple. Oh, it's breaking a little bit.
Why don't they give us?
They look like little cars.
Why don't they give us those things?
They probably are somewhere. We gotta move all of these peanuts. Hurry.
Peanut.
Just be careful because there's bath bombs in there. Oh, this one has a moon.
There's two in here, Mommy.
Oh, maybe that's the thing. Oh, careful, don't pull too hard.
It's
Looks like
a rainbow. It's a rainbow cow, and it got rainbow inside.
okay, back up a little bit though. Can't be that close. Good.
And then we
Show it. It's like a little dinosaur.
we have this dinosaur with the butt has sprinkles. Here.
Oh, look, this is a Shrek one. Another Shrek bath bomb. Ugh. I don't know if I like that.
That's okay. You can still use it.
No. Does he have one in his mouth?
No.
Okay, don't let him chew on them. Oh, that's another one that's missing something.
And it's supposed to be the worm. I see something.
Yeah, there's more stuff down there. Oh, look, it's Gingy. This is a bubble bar. Oh, that smells like a cookie. That's a face mask. Oh, look, it's a little astronaut.
And it's a little apple car. And look, it got a leaf.
You can't be that close to the camera, babe.
Oh yeah, we can do that. It's much easier to do that.
Uh-oh, get those peanuts before he gets them. Oh, look, it's a rose. It's a dark rose.
It's a flower it's a heart with a real flowers in them.
This one's just a cube.
That says Lush. This is the peach heart with it's a peach. You got this. Hey, you want to see a surprise? Lush.
Oh, look, here's a piggy. And then here's a worm.
The worm.
That goes in the apple.
This goes in
That one goes in the pineapple. Which is this one? Oh, this is a bubble bar too, like a bottle of milk.
You just gotta find the corn one.
Yeah.
But I hope that none of them are broke because they're right
Yeah, just be careful.
here.
It should be a little white badger.
Where? What does the white badger look like? But did we order the face mask? Or did we just order the bath bomb?
Oh my goodness.
This is so hard to
Oh,
find.
there. No, that's not it.
What was it?
Okay, let's just go like this.
No.
Oh, here it is. Oh, how cute.
Is there anything else we have to find?
No, let's check the thing. I think that's it.